Let's explore Google algorithm updates, specifically focusing on understanding the evolution of search rankings and their impact on digital visibility. This is important for anyone looking to improve their website's search engine performance. Google's search algorithm updates are changes made to improve the quality of search results and the user experience. Google constantly refines its ranking factors and releases major core updates 3 to 4 times per year. They also make targeted improvements for specific issues as needed. These updates can affect how your website ranks in search results. Google releases a number of different types of updates. First, there are core updates, which are broad changes to Google's overall ranking algorithms and systems. These usually happen 3 to 4 times per year. Second, there are daily updates, which are minor adjustments to refine search results and fix small issues. These happen multiple times a day. Finally, there are targeted updates, which are focused changes that target specific ranking factors or search features, and these are implemented as needed. Core updates can cause site-wide ranking fluctuations across multiple pages. These updates result in changes in organic traffic patterns and search visibility, and the recovery period from these fluctuations can take weeks or even months. A typical core update shows a drop in traffic after the update, followed by a period of recovery. There are 4 key ranking factors that Google considers. First is content quality, which means original, comprehensive, and well-researched content that meets user intent and provides value. Second is backlink profile, which looks at the quality and relevance of incoming links from authoritative and trusted websites. Third is page experience, which includes loading speed, mobile friendliness, security, and overall user experience metrics. Fourth is AT signals, which refers to experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness of content and creators. These are all important for achieving high rankings. After Google releases updates, you can implement the following recovery strategy. Step 1. Analyze the impact, which means you should monitor traffic changes and ranking fluctuations and identify the affected pages. Step 2. Conduct a content audit to review and improve the content quality, relevance, and user experience. Step 3. Perform a technical review to check site performance, mobile optimization, and fix technical issues. Step 4. Monitor and adjust, which means tracking recovery progress and making continuous improvements. You should also compare pre- and post-update metrics, focus on user intent alignment, update outdated content, enhance EEA and T signals, and optimize core web vitals. To stay on top of algorithm updates, it is important to follow these best practices. First, regular monitoring. Set up comprehensive tracking of key metrics and performance indicators to detect changes early. Use Google Search Console and Analytics together for better insights. Second, data-driven decisions. Base optimization decisions on concrete data and user behavior metrics rather than assumptions. Focus on metrics that directly impact user experience. Third, stay informed. Keep up with official Google announcements and search engine optimization community discussions about updates. Follow the Google Search Central blog and official channels. Here are some long-term strategies for future-proofing your website. Invest in high-quality, evergreen content that maintains relevance over time. Build natural, authoritative backlink profiles through genuine relationships. And focus on user experience metrics and engagement signals. Always prioritize user value and authentic engagement over short-term optimization tactics. You should stay ahead with emerging technologies and search engine optimization trends. Implement structured data and semantic markup for better understanding, and optimize for voice search and mobile-first indexing. Embrace new technologies while maintaining strong search engine optimization fundamentals. There are a number of common mistakes that people make. First, avoid panic reactions, such as making hasty changes without proper analysis after an update impacts rankings. Instead, Take time to analyze data and patterns before making strategic changes. Second, avoid over-optimization by refraining from excessive keyword usage and artificial optimization techniques, and instead, focus on natural, user-focused content that provides genuine value. Third, avoid ignoring user experience by focusing solely on rankings while neglecting user satisfaction, and instead, prioritize user experience metrics and engagement signals. Fourth, avoid neglecting mobile by not optimizing for mobile-first indexing and user experience, and instead, ensure full mobile optimization and responsive design. Here are the key takeaways from this presentation. Google Updates aim to improve search quality and user experience. It is important to focus on creating high-quality, user-focused content consistently. Regular monitoring and data analysis are essential for success. And it is important to stay adaptable and ready for future algorithm changes. Google Updates are opportunities for improvement. Focus on providing genuine value to users, and rankings will follow. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.